with that. Just my house phone. Hello? Tell him to wait. I'll be right down.
What have you been doing? You took it to the lake, didn't you?
Oh, for God's sake.
Is that... Don't think I don't know about that. What goes on down there?
I didn't expect him to. Lately, he resists anything that comes from me.
Why do you say that?
Superficially, I'd say that I've taken on the role of his father, and he doesn't like me very much.
You discouraged?
It's not easy. You think he's been helped any?
Nothing else to believe.
Why would it do a thing like that?
To demonstrate its power over the earth.
11A clear, 12A 15, roger. 12A 17, 12A 17, cancel your caller call. 12A 15 has handled. 379A.
You know who she is?
Yeah.
Take a number, kid. There's a long line.
Had no dinner.
What'd he do?
He hypnotized you.
And don't you ever let him do it again. Those fellas can make you do anything and say anything you want. Lie, steal, anything.
I made a new will, in which I bequeathed everything through good hands to my stepsister, Jenny. Ha! You didn't expect that, did you, Stephen? That I'd leave everything to that simpering idiot?
For Pete's sake.
You crazy road hog. What's the idea of cutting me off like that? You're blind or something?
The road's wide enough. There's plenty of room for two.
Yeah, and you took it all. That ain't no way to drive.